All right. So what happened?
Okay, one day,
Mm-hmm.
I had his mother car,
Okay.
and it was an Intrepid 3.5. I remember it, brightest day, and it was green with a gray bottom. It was two tone.
Triple two time. Okay. Fine. Okay. Okay.
We went to the club. Yeah, our mama made
What
him.
club? What club? What club do y'all go to?
It was the one that used to be downtown Grand Rapids. They used to be popping. I can't.
The Bob.
Yeah,
Y'all went to the Bob.
and Art got
They called it Crush
yeah,
afterwards.
yeah. It was the one that was right there coming down the hill by
Or
Butterworth Hall.
Maggie's, or they had the one with the
Yeah.
M. I used to go to that one.
Art got mad because his mom called him and told him to bring the car home.
Oh shit!
So he burnt the goddamn.
What?
He hit the brake and hit the gas and burnt the tires off and sat there for life.
Oh my gosh! Wait a minute. Did y'all get in the club or were you in the parking lot when she said that?
We was outside and he got so mad at his mother.
How old were you?
17.
God damn! You did a whole bunch of shit at 17. Damn.
And this nigga got so goddamn mad. Shout out to my nigga Arthur Harris. And this nigga got so goddamn mad. This nigga sat there for like 20 minutes and burnt the tires.
Just burnt the tires.
Yeah, and it was so much smoke out there, a motherfucker would have been like, I'm high as a motherfucker.
God damn, that's some anger issue. God
Yeah,
damn.
and I was like, bro, cool out. And he was like, no, fuck this shit, bro.
Bet you ain't do that shit in front of his mama. Shit.
And
Did
then
he got a Hispanic mama?
Yeah, he got a Hispanic
fuck
mama.
no.
Yeah, he
ain't
got
doing that
his
shit
mama
at
Mexican.
Nah.
His mama
he
Mexican.
ain't gonna do that shit in front of her.
Look,
Shit, I would have done the same shit
That
in a
nigga-
whole different area.
that nigga
I'm not
burnt
doing
the
that shit in
tires
front of
off
her.
of that shit. Man,
Don't
that
mess with
boy.
the Mexican women. Fuck that.
Yeah,
Not when they get
and-
mad.
God damn, Art.
Hey, did it fuck up the car?
Yes.
How the fuck y'all get home then?
We. Man,
I mean, for real, how'd you get home?
this nigga ran into the front of the car that was in front of us because he was.
He was tripping. You was tripping. Tripping.
Look,
What happened? Did his mama come out there?
No, he took the car home because he only bumped into the car in front
Oh,
of
okay,
him.
man. Damn. Wow.
I swear these Cuietstorm stories.
He was angry as
I said,
shit.
goddamn, God put me
In some
some bullshit.
interesting times. Shit.
Right.
Interesting times. God damn.
All right, cut that off.